Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cheat at Monopoly Go. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your web browser, and then on the search bar simply type in unlimitedroles.com. And once you do that, here you'll be seeing this kind of page. Now what you need to do here is just simply select one of the options. Let me just select this 240, and roles I'll just select 30. And now all you gotta do is enter in your username, then select the device that you are playing it, and then click on proceed. And once you do this, here it will take time to process, and once you do that, you'll be asked to verify your account. Now in order to verify your account, it will ask you to download a third-party app. Now all you gotta do is just simply download the third-party app and then complete the task that is given. And once you do that and complete it, all you gotta do is log in back to your Monopoly Go app, and then you can see the money and rolls, or your selection of your money and rolls will increase. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.